Did you know FreeCAD lets you combine multiple sketches into single one? This trick is very useful when we are working on complex profile. Hey there everyone, my name is Pritam and you are watching Engineering Pritam, and in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can combine or merge multiple sketches together into one in FreeCAD. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here you can see I already have open FreeCAD and I am in part design environment. Now let's simply click here on Sketcher, and now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna plot my first sketch. Probably my first sketch looks like this, and let me also put some constraint here. Let's also add a dimensional constraint, and now this is fully constrained. Now let me close this, and let's now plot another sketch, and maybe another sketch looks like this. Now let's again constrain this one as well. Now let's click close. Now here we have got these two different sketches. Later on you realize that there should be some kind of relationship between both, and we should have created both the sketches together. Then you do not need to delete anything, you do not need to redraw anything. Simply go here and select both these sketches and go to Sketch tab, and here we have got option to merge them. So select merge sketches, and now here you can see the third sketch came, which is combination of both these two. So now what we can do here is we can select the existing sketches and can delete them. And it's good that this newly formed merge sketch do not depend on our original sketch. Now the next thing here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this within this sketch inside origin. Now let me select this merge sketch and make a right click, go to edit sketch, and there we go. So here what you see is your sketch dimension and constraint still remain intact, and both these are fully constrained, that we can observe by seeing this green color. And also your solver message says fully constrained. Now I wanted here the dia of this circle to be dependent on this hexagon, so I'm going to delete this particular dimensional constraint and let me use this particular one, which is coincident constraint. And now I'm going to select this circle and this vertex, and there we go. So this is exactly what we wanted. So that's how guys you can merge two different sketch into one in FreeCAD. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete FreeCAD series. Also you will find other engineering topics like project management, mechatronics topics, and other basic fundamental concepts. So be sure to check out this channel, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.